The next chapter, 12th chapter, algebraic expressions. Topics to be covered. What is algebra? Terms of an algebraic expressions, algebraic operations, evaluating an expressions, linear equations, solving equation by trial and error methods, solving equations by systematic method. First topic is what is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses symbols to denote new numbers. Generally, the letters of English alphabet are used as symbols. These letters have no particular value or have an unknown values. The use of symbols to represent numbers help us to write many results in a short and general form. The first one is variables and constants. An algebraic expression is generated form of a arithmetic. In arithmetic, only numbers are used, while in algebra, letters are used along with numbers. For example, 4a plus 3. Here, 4 and 3 are a fixed numerical values. Their values remains constant. Don't change according to the problems. The a is a variable that values vary according to the problem, such the quantities are called variables. A literal is an alphabet that is represents either a constant or a variable. The next topic is 12.2 terms of an algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression is made up of terms. The terms of an algebraic expressions are separated by positive and negative signs only. The term is either a constant or a variable or a product of constants and variables. For example, the terms are 3a, 4xy, 4. These are the terms. The term 3a is the product of 3 and a. Here 4xy, the term 4xy, the product of 4 into x into y. Next one, coefficient. Each factor in the above terms is called a coefficient of the product of the remaining factors. For example, 23a. Here 23 is the numerical coefficient of a. A is the literal coefficient of 23. The next one is like terms. Two or more terms which the same variables are called as like terms. For example, 3a, negative 4a. Here, the literals are same, so it is a like terms. The next one is unlike terms. Two or more terms which different variables are called unlike terms. Example, 2a, 4x. Here, the literals are different, so it is an unlike terms. Is types of algebraic expressions. The first one is monomial. Expressions with a single term is known as a monomial. For example, 13a, 4x, negative 3. These are the examples of monomial. Binomial. An expressions with two terms is known as binomial. Example, 3a plus 4b. Here 3a is the first term. Positive 4 is the second term. Second example, 5x minus b. That is 5x minus b. Here 5x is the first term. Negative b is the second term. So binomial having two terms. The next one is trinomial. Example, an expression with three terms is known as a trinomial. For example, 4x minus 9y plus 5. Here 4x is the first term, negative 9y is the second term, positive 5 is the third term. So trinomial having three terms. The above expressions are generally called a polynomial. These are all polynomials. The next topic is algebraic operations. The first operation is addition. The sum of two literal numbers a and b, that is written as a plus b. For example, the sum of a and 2c written as a plus 2c. The sum of constant likes of 6 and x is written as 6 plus x, not written as 6x. Next one is subtraction. For example, 3a subtracted from 4y. Now return as the expression 4y subtracted 3a. This is the expression. Next topic is multiplication. In algebraic, the multiplication sign is omitted between the number and a literal form, simplicity. Here example 3 into b, here written as 3b. 4 into x, it's written as 4x. In between the constant and literal, they having the multiplication. Example 3 times a number y. Here 3 times a number y means 3y. This is the expression. Second example 25 times n added to 23. Here 23 is added to 25 times n. This is the expression. The next topic is division. Division of literals follows the same rules as division of numbers. For example, the number x is divided by y. So here x by y is the expression. Example a divided by 11. The expression is a by 11 is the expression. The next topic is 12.4 evaluating an expression. To evaluate an algebraic expression, substitute a number for each variable and perform the arithmetic operation. Example, if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5, the expression is 4x minus 5y plus 3. Now substitute, solution, substitute x is equal to 2 in the expression and y is equal to 5. So 4x minus 5y plus 3. Now substitute the value for x is 2. So 4 into 2 minus 5 into 5. That is y value is 5 plus 3. 4 2s are 8 minus 5 5s are 25 plus 3 is equal to negative 14. Exercise 12.1. First question. Write the following as algebraic expression. The question is 3 times the sum of 4 and negative 2q. Solution. 3 times means 3 into multiplication. The sum of 4 and negative q is 4. Sum means addition. Negative 2q. This is the expression. Homework. The sum of negative 9 and negative p. Second one, 4 times z less than 2/3 of 10x. Second question, using literal numbers to represent the unknown number. Write the following as algebraic expression. The question is 6 added to 5 times a number. Solution. 6 is added to 5 times a number. 5 times means 5x added, that is addition, 6. So 5x plus 6 is the expression. Second question, homework sum. Second Roman, third Roman and fourth Roman. Next 10th question. Substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3 in each expression and find its value. The question is 3x minus 4y plus 1. Solution. Substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3 in the expression. Here the expression is 3x minus 4y plus 1. Now substitute the values for x and y. 3, x value is 1. So 1 minus 4, y value is 3. 4 into 3 plus 1. Here 3 into 1, that is 3, minus 4 into 3, that is 12 plus 1. Here 3 and 1 are positive values. So 3 plus 1 minus 12. 4 minus 12 is equal to negative 8 is the answer. Homework problems. X minus y plus 3. Second one 2x plus 3y.